be entirely honest. The hardest part about a breakup or divorce isn't losing them. Yeah. It's realizing how much of yourself you gave away to them, just trying to keep them. Ouch. If this sounds like you, welcome back to Resilient Confidence with Kyka Drake. And girl, I got you. So, if you're watching this and you are currently trying to put the pieces of your life back together after a toxic relationship or divorce, take a deep breath. You are safe here, honey, because I'm not going to give you no damn superficial cliches today. I want to give you real, direct strategy on how to heal your self-worth when it's been shattered. And I know it hurts, but I want to discuss something with you that I call the overthinking loop. And that is when a relationship ends, especially an emotionally abusive or neglectful one. Your brain goes into overdrive. You start overthinking every single thing. You replay every single thing back to yourself. Why wasn't I enough? Why did they abandon me? And the most crazy one of all is, what did I do wrong? Not saying that you don't have any accountability on why things may have fallen apart as well, but just focusing on that is not the real reality. And here is your honest reality check. Their inability to love you correctly had absolutely nothing to do with your worth and everything to do with their brokenness. So stop looking for closure from the person who broke you. Your closure is the fact that you survived and got out. But here's the teachable shift now. Shifting focus from them to you. So, to move forward with conviction, you have to transition from a mindset of grief to a mindset of discovery. That's when you have that aha moment, right? You are no longer defined by that relationship status. You are now in an identity reset. This is your blank canvas. And honey, you're allowed to do whatever you want with it. So, what do you want? What do you want your home to look like? How do you want to spend your finances, your money, your time, the way you interact with people now? What kind of peace do you deserve? Those are the type of questions you need to ask yourself. When you anchor your identity in God's promises rather than a partner's opinion, your confidence becomes unshakable. And I'm telling you this from experience. So, starting over in your 30s or 40s is not a freaking death sentence, y'all. It's a freaking promotion. And it's a promotion that I am truly thankful for. Because, honey, you are starting over with experience, wisdom, and standard settings you didn't have before. So say hell yeah to all of those things. Congratulate yourself and be happy for that promotion. So if you are ready to close that old ass chapter and step into your revival, subscribe to the channel. Drop a I'm rebuilding in the comments, and let's walk this path together. And just embrace it all, honey. I'm Kyka Drake, and your resilience is your power. I love you, and I'll see you later.